Hi, good morning, as I always say. Good morning, good morning. I'm up in Wilson on another project we're about to take for another main contractor. As you can see, so you got a ground floor and you got 3 floors above. On each of the floors, you got maybe 2 or 3 bedroom flats. So basically, it's 4 flats, 3 bedrooms and 2 bedrooms. We're gonna be putting our brickwork on the outside skin of it. It's a timber frame. Some parts is concrete structure, and we're just gonna be wrapping that up. So stay tuned and see how we get on with this project. This is the most important part of the build. Every bricklaying job, you have to make sure you set it out right. You know what I mean? It has to be done right. You have to make sure you leave the foreman on his own, get his head around the job, make sure he comes up with it correctly. There's no point chucking a whole heap of bricklayers and it goes up, it comes back down. You take your time in the first couple of days and you get that setting right.
I'm pleased that you're letting me, because there's nothing worse.
Nothing worse than that.
I've worked for blokes before and I've more or less said, oh, bollocks and gone. I ain't being funny.
Yeah.
They put you there for a day, and then the next day there's 4 blokes.
On your back.
They just send them, don't even tell you.
You can't.
And I just say, oh, fuck it.
You're the one running the job, you're the one running the show.
I'll tell you when I need them.
Yeah, that's how it is. Nice job, Andy.
Thank you, mate.
Yeah. Right, so what we got here, we got with Chris. We're just gonna put a nail in here. Put a screw.
You don't have a Phillips head by any chance for this, do you?
Phillips, yeah, we've got Phillips in there. So.
We do?
Yeah, we should do.
You just put this in. You need this laser, that's the only thing. Check the corner. Check the corner. That's it, that's us. That's good enough. Okay. Point. That's our point. Okay. That's it. We have to give it 5 mil, yeah? So put it here. That's our aiming point. That's it. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh.
This one up to damp, and keep moving round. You know where I was last week? Get everywhere to damp, because then we've got to cut the insulation at an angle, on a 45 to allow the tray to run down. So we've got to put a low damp in all the way, insulation in all the way beyond what we've done the damp. Once we've got tray on, it's fucking all the way up. It's profiles and off you go. Simple as that.
Yeah, cutting that insulation at 45 is easy, simple.
We do 2 course of whites.
Cool.
Ken, yeah, and then we rake it to whatever colours they should be.
Muck, Angel?
It's a lovely bit of muck. I said that to him. It's fucking lovely.
Really? Spreads like butter.
Yeah.
trying to set out this work and make sure it's correct.
I think we're going to get it, Kev, like you said.
You see what the foreman's got here? MJ, movement joint. That's so he doesn't forget. So this is the damp tray is going to sit on this now. You can see the different color bricks. It's a lighter one here, the dark one in the middle, the light one at the end. It's going to be a recessed panel, but because that's been underneath the damp, you're only going to see a couple coats. So you're going to see how it's going to work out. Pushing on a Monday from one job to the next, enjoying it. Line up. Lovely job.
Got a can, haven't we? You know what he's going to be doing Monday morning.
It's his job to make sure we come up trump with his work, isn't it?
Of course, but, you know,
Yeah.
we're not engineers. There are tolerances. Handmade material.
And then we use Brickwork Satisfying here.
Yeah, shorter ones.
Those are the cut ones we have.
Alright. I won't move that. Let's sit there. Just sit on there dry. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
How about that? How about that?
Yeah, man.
How about that? Okay with us.
Alright, tingle that over.
I've got a special tingle in my box. You're gonna like it. Make sure you don't take it though.
What makes you think I'll do that?
Just like with every tradesman, you borrow them your pencil, you don't get it back.
Never get it back. Never, ever.
I'm not a smoker, but I hear a lot of smokers complain about the lighters.
Yeah, you never get your lighter back. Yeah, I know.
So yeah,
If you
here you go.
12
You
years.
sell these ones.
12 years I gave up. Yeah, I've seen them. Yeah. They call them twigs, don't they? Line twigs. Yeah, I've got mine's there. put yours in. That's set for it.
I think it looks like he's doing one more. Okay, cool. Yeah, no, we're doing this one.
Yeah, no.
Kevin, hold on, eh?
Kev,
What?
we're doing this centre.
So why we doing the second joint up and then we can advance, innit?
Yeah, I'll join.
Giant up, giant up, bro. So I just come from Lawrence Street, innit? Just come from Lawrence Street, Mill Hill. Pushing that course, them set of bricks for them, Mihai and the other guy. And I'm here again. Hustle Monday, call it.
So potentially got bloke coming tomorrow, huh?
Yeah, we got Bricky starting tomorrow here. See what he's like, eh?
Guy?
Huh?
Agency guy?
Well, yeah, he's coming from KRS. Just like you came through, innit? The ramps. Look, most of the bricklayers, we do a lot of checks on them, so most of them doesn't be good. That coming through. You get the other one that trick you, you know. But you know what? When someone calls you on the phone, you know if they're a brickie or not. You can tell by the way you ask for the job. You just know.
I think I do, yeah. I'm pretty much like that. You know, when they walk in off the street,
You know.
at the start, you just... Something just tells you, doesn't it? They're tight, Ken. Stay with them, mate. They are fuckers.
The tight as a virgin, yeah?
Yeah.
Alright,
Not many of them about.
Is that good? Yep.
Yeah, it's fine. That's just what they are, Ken, and that's it. They're tight, but they're in. And we got that 190 crop.
Yep.
Haven't we?
Yeah.
Nice, you got your mark. You can push. Muck! Muck!
I think he is a bit fucking mutton and all.
Yeah?
Or he's fucking acting it.
Mandy's alright, man.
Good grafter.
You can leave him to load out this job on his own and you don't even have to call and check on him.
No, I know.
That's one thing with him.
He's a good lad.
They don't make them like him anymore, you know what I mean?
Oh, no, they don't. That's... You know, and the little bits like fucking doing your jointing and that, you know, jumping in with you.
Yeah.
Not just standing around waiting to be told.
Yeah.
We're going to put him on the trowel in a bit anyway. What am I doing? Hope you haven't been touching my level, you know?
Alright.
No,
Hope you haven't been touching my level, mate.
Didn't touch your level.
You know what I mean? So, first bricky I see with a champagne level in a long time.
Yeah.
Man. Brickwork is about feeling, you know. It's about the feel. It's good to the eyes, good to the mind. You get bricklayers that ain't got no pride in their job.
What is
Brickwork is a lovely thing, isn't it?
it's an art.
It's a beautiful thing. Not everyone can do it. But if you put your mind and your back into it, you know what I mean? You can do it.
That's up there.
Yeah, you see. But then some piers going around these columns. So fill out. And this line, this is running in line. That's how this pier is going to come up. You got a gauge tape, which you can stick on the profile. So what you do? So you have this way, stick it on. So that basically, if you you want to do 75, 150, 225, 300, and you're just a learner, you can always use these tips, it helps you. Just stick it along the profiles. If you get a very straight edge, something, pull it tight, slide your hands along it. Make sure it's running in a straight line. You cut it and you should get a wrap. Here you have it. Then you have your gauge for your brickwork. So make sure you start on the mark. Just wrap that inside. There you have it. You got your 75, 150, 225, 300. But this one comes out, it says 225, but every mark is 75 mil. So that's on a matrix. So every mark is 75 mil. So you can count 1 brick, 2 brick, 3 brick, 4 brick, 5 bricks. On the other side now, you can go and count 1 brick, 2 brick, 3 brick, 4 brick, 5 bricks. And you put up your profiles and use that as your gauge or your timber. If you're at home, use your timber.
What's your proper name? Andy. Oh, that's a nice name. Can I call something else? Are you on it? Right, here we go. Here we are in the depths of Alston, stroke Neaston, and I've had the pleasure of working with my old mate over there, old Southpaw. How many bricks so far is that, Southpaw? 7, isn't it? 8 bound from 8 o'clock start, 8 bound from 8 o'clock. And 3 of them are a bit wonky. But he's alright, he's shaping up. He's found 40 years in the game and he's found something new today, he's found a string line. I'll do it, Southpaw. 2 10 balls, 1 8. You didn't get that, did you? Me being told.
No, I got the scaffolder shaking on that side.
Well, I know. That's our boss name, isn't it?
You started today.
You know what we done? Because we run parallel with his brickwork. That's what we done here, son.
Ah,
How about that?
you got a good answer, ain't
Got answer for everything, I'll give it up.
Yeah, and I'd also like to say,
It's Friday.
to the powers that be, I'd like my old mate Southpaw there, I'd like to recommend him for further advancement within his company with the effort he's put in today.
Alright.
He's put up with me.
You hear that, Ken?
Yeah, you in it?
No, I didn't hear that one.
What you saying louder? Give him a play, right? Look at that, he's got a KD shirt on, small checks, look at it.
I didn't hear that one. I didn't hear that one there.
No, I didn't think you would.
Definitely you need a raise, innit? Look what we have to. Look what he's putting up these piers.
Look what I've got to fucking put up with. Hey?
Can't understand. Who put you down here?
Me.
Because you're
Ready?
yeah, but couple mil,
Let's go.
couple mil,
Back to me.
couple mil. Yeah, back to you. Back to me. Back to the wall. To the wall. Touch. That's it.
Yeah,
That's it. That's the
looks
baby.
good. Abby?
That's the
That looks
baby.
good to me. We're going with that.
We. You see, you got that. That's a conductor again, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. So I'll put that straight into the ground.
They're gonna bury that later on. The rest of it, anyway.
Yes, mate.
They'll bury that. See, scaffold is up. So that's the end of this episode. Thank you very much for watching our first video on our channel. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you're not yet subscribed, please do so. Pass it on to your friends, uncle, aunties, everyone. And we're gonna have more videos coming. We're gonna try to put out 1 video per week. Whether it's part 2 of this video you just watched, or it's another one, part 1 of another video, but we're gonna try to do that every week. It's gonna be different projects, videos we actually recorded weeks before, and some we're gonna be doing like today or tomorrow, this week for next week. It's all gonna be mixed up. So based on my schedule and how much work I've got, That's why we're gonna put out the videos, because I'm on site, I'm in the office, I'm all over the place. So yeah, I know it's a 4-day week because it was bank holiday Monday because of the funeral for the Queen and all that. So you guys have a blessed week and see you on my next video. Thank you.